my baby, my Valentine, yeah. Boy, now you done making my temperature rise. If you leave me, I go die, I swear. You are like the oxygen I need.
Hi guys, my name is Noni Madikela. Welcome to the Noni M podcast. So today I want us to talk about Patricia Nonjabulo and their hints, dropping of bombs, everything that they are doing. They've been doing for the Senzo Meyiwa case. If you have not been following the channel of Sispert, the Real Mastermind, you are missing out. Please go to that channel because there's a lot to uncover from that channel regarding the Senzo Meyiwa case. Anyway, before anything else, guys, please make sure you are subscribed on this channel. Please make sure you are liking the videos, you are watching them until the end, and you are making sure that you are super thanking the channel. Those things are helping the channel to grow. Please make sure at all times you are standing with the channel. Yes, the content is not that much because mostly we focus on the Senzo Meyiwa case because we want to see what's going to happen with that case up until to the end. Okay, we are really curious about the end of that case. And the other case that I am going to do a summary of everything that has happened, maybe another video later on today, is the Jocelyn case, the Jocelyn Smith case. And I'm gonna also do another video regarding the asbestos case where Edwin Sodi and former ANC, what was he, a vice president? I don't know, or SG for ANC, or Ace Magashule and others busy in Bloemfontein High Court. I'm gonna check into that. I don't know when the AKA case is coming in. I wish when it comes back it will also do the same as the Senzo Meyiwa case and it every day. And also the other case, sorry, that I'm looking forward to is the case of Nandipha and Thabo Bester and others. Dr. Nandipha Makudumana, Thabo Bester and others. That's the other case that is big. It's another profile case that I'm looking forward to see what's going to happen in that one also. Anyway, now let's get back to Sispert. I believe Uguti, even in that AKA and AKA Thabo Bester, Unjabulo can always assist there with the information that he has, the way that he is able to get information. He flies, guys. I hate them. So I hope that he will be able to assist when it comes to that, but I don't know. I'll find out. Anyway, so Sispert Nonjabulo, they talk about the reconstruction of the crime scene. Reconstruction. I wanna check what does it mean to reconstruct. Reconstruction meaning, ne? I wanna see. Right? I wanna see the action or process of reconstructing or being reconstructed. The period 1865 to 1877, following the American Civil War, during which the southern state of the conference were controlled by federal government and social legislation, including granting or new rights to black people, was introduced. Okay, that's not the definition I want. The process of building or creating something again that has been damaged or processed. All right. Sometimes post-war economic reconstruction in a country must begin. Okay. So that's what it means to reconstruct. The meaning of reconstruction is the action of reconstructing, the act or process of rebuilding, repairing, or restoring something. All right. We are learning. Now, they were talking about the reconstruction of the Senzo Meyiwa case. Few things that were interesting there for me is that I don't know if Mangena, I think Mangena did tell us that he was at the crime scene, I think the following day for the reconstruction purposes, right? That's when he was, because I think he came after 12 midnight or about the following day, the 27th on Monday. I'm not quite sure. I don't remember much. But one of the things that are coming to light right now when it comes to the reconstruction of the Senzo Meyiwa case, Senzo Meyiwa crime scene Let's see what are they saying about that. Okay, hold on. So some of the points that when it comes to that, is that the ballistic expert, which is Umangena, said that the gun found on accused number 3 matches the bullet that was found at the crime scene. One of the other things that were said is that Senzo Meyiwa was shot at point blank range by someone taller. And then defense disputed that Senzo Meyiwa was killed with a 9mm pistol. Ballistic expert was the one that said that's the gun. Okay, the police brought that gun to him. All right. And then he also mentioned that the first gun that was tested by Mangena did not fire bullets that killed Senzo Meyiwa. And the question was, which gun was that and why was it being tested? All right. So now this is where our Pet were talking. This is what they were talking about. In 2016, 9 years ago, it was the 13th of March, right? That's when a second a reconstruction of the crime, I don't know was it for the second time or what, Meyiwa made a scene to be revisited. Ne? There's an article there by IOL that talks about that. So Kelly Khumalo's mother's house in Vosloorus, where Bafana captain and Orlando Pirates goalie Senzo Meyiwa was murdered in November 2014. On Sunday, crack detectives from all specialized units, including the Hawks, will meet at the house in Vosloorus where former Bafana and Orlando Pirates captain Senzo Meyiwa was killed more than a year ago, with the aim of reconstructing the crime scene. Those expected to be present include ballistics expert Superintendent Chris Mangena, who made headlines when he testified as an expert witness for the state during the Oscar Pistorius murder trial. Weekend Anchor's sister titled The Sunday Independent has reliably learned everyone present in the house during the incident on the night of Sunday, October 26, 2014, has been summoned to attend. Those present that night included Meyiwa's girlfriend Kelly Khumalo, her sister Zandi, the son of music producer Chiko Twala Longwe, and the goalkeeper's friends Tumelo Madlala and Mthokozi Sitwala. Meyiwa was shot dead at the family home of Kelly Khumalo in what was described as a robbery after 2 men entered the house and demanded cell phones, money, and other valuables. When Meyiwa allegedly tried to protect his girlfriend, a bullet reportedly went through his back, exiting through his chest. He died at the scene. News now. Approached for comment, police spokesman Brigadier Hangwani Mulawudzi could neither deny nor confirm the meeting today, saying only that they did not comment on operational matters. So anyone with information should call Crime Stop at blah blah blah. There is a 250,000 reward. Yeah, bo? So that was 2016. Now people there by Suspect's page are making assumptions that what if the people at the house, Zandi, Tumelo, Mthokozi, now when they were in court, they were busy telling us about what happened that day of the reconstruction, not what really happened during the time when Senzo was murdered. What if that is the case? We don't know. But it comes as a mystery for me that the people that were inside the house, they were not all were called to tell us what happened, and the ones that they were called were mumbling and telling us things that are different from one another. Nonetheless, the scatter for me was that reconstruction was done in proper reconstruction for me was done in 2016. And now it's 2016 March, so it's March 2015 to 2016, that's a year. And then it was January, February, November, December, January, February. So it was a year and 4 months later when it was done. Why would they do that at that late stage? Doesn't even make sense. So for me, that was very surprising. Reconstruction done a year and 4 months later. Hayibo, njani kaloku. Anyway, another skaxa that I'm going to bring from Patricia and Njabulo is about Mboto, Gininda, Mangena, and the firearm situation. Stay tuned. I'll see you on our next video.
Survive,